Yeah, that's alright.
This pear comes in hard. Watch that pear.
Some people enjoy listening to music while they paint.
That's a casualty of war right there. Friendly fire.
I enjoy having a good waterfowl video
Friendly fire on the decoys.
going on while I'm painting. These are Brant silhouettes made out of Lawan, painted with acrylic paint. And they're going to find their way onto some sitting duck V-boards. In my Brant rig, I like to use a good mixture of silhouettes mounted on V-boards and cork full bodies. Although today is gray and cloudy, in the sun, the V-boards will show up a good 300, 400, 500 yards away. They really do stand out, and that white just flashes off of them.